I've been working as a musician, as a drum kit player and a percussionist for over 15 years now, and I've also taught for over 5 years at university level, and I've met a lot of fantastic drummers who are almost scared to play percussion, or they feel a little bit embarrassed about a tiny tambourine overdub when actually they're amazing kit players and there's nothing really to be scared of. But there didn't actually seem to be anything readily available that was just, you know, basic how to play a tambourine type stuff, or a basic conga groove, or something that just works inside pop or rock music genres. So it's about getting the right sound and playing in time, and just adding that extra tool in your tool case to be able to go out and confidently play a bit of tambourine, or play kit with shaker, or, you know, play a little bit of congas and not feel like you don't know where to start. And that's what this is for.